Well, hey, what's up, you bowl of soggy cereal? A friendly reminder that you cannot fill someone else's cup if yours is already empty. Sometimes it's okay to take care of your needs first, and that's not being selfish, it's called self-care. Welcome back to Mikecroscope. My name's Mike. Louie and Hot Dog Jamboree. I can tell you're excited over there because you're a nerd just like me. Ooh boy, we're back again with a fun time learning an episode, and today we're learning about the Paramecium. Oh, look at that thing down there. Paramecium are a genus of unicellular eukaryotic ciliates, which means they're protozoans. What a fun word. Their size typically range from 50 to 300 micrometers, so they're generally pretty small little goobers. But the specific species I have here is Paramecium caudatum, which is really fun. They have those little pointy parts. That's so cool. Paramecium are found everywhere, pretty much. Let's just say that. Fresh water, brackish water, and marine water, or the ocean. They're found more in stagnant areas near decomposing plant material, so that's kind of an indicator. They do like to eat bacteria, algae, and other floating bits of fine suspended organic matter because they're kind of filter feeders using cilia. Ooh boy. Paramecium also move using those cilia, which are tiny little hairs, thousands of them, that cover the exterior of the organism, and they propel them through the water through synchronized motion, right? Like rowing a boat, I guess. That's a pretty easy way to think about it. Like most other microorganisms, generally speaking, the lifespan of each depends upon which species we're looking at within the genus, right? So, on average for these Paramecium, 2 to 3 weeks. Less than that. That's cool for them, I guess. But don't worry, even though they're short-lived, they do reproduce via a process called binary fission. Well, let's keep it simple. One cell becomes two. That's so much fun. But they also engage in a phenomenon called conjugation. Ooh boy. Imagine two cells line up like this and they go, right? Like, again with the noises. More or less, they share their genetic material and kind of refresh their genes a little bit, maybe make some changes. So they have a new organism after that, and then they split, right, using binary fission. Simple, fun stuff here. Like everything else in the microcosmos, it's food for something. The Paramecium do get eaten by amoebas and something called didinium, which is another type of ciliate, which are, look at that thing. That's pretty metal, if you ask me. That's pretty cool. I want to see one of those. And another cool fact about the Paramecium is that we call them the lab rats of microbiology because they're easy to cultivate and relatively large under a microscope, and you can see all the inside bits and figure out what's changing and what they're doing. Isn't that fun? I think that's fun. Well, I've had fun here, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.